Hello, last section of chapter 5, 5.7 is on rotations. We've done translations. We've done reflections. This is a rotation. It says a rotation is a turn in which a figure is rotated about a point. Little review of something that you should have already seen. The number of degrees a figure rotates is the angle of rotation. If I start with 0 degrees right here, half a turn is what's called a 90-degree turn. Completely back the other direction is 180. There's 270. And obviously you can see back to a total of 360 is all the way around a complete circle. Another one that's actually not on here that commonly is talked about is a 45-degree angle. That's halfway between a 90 and 0 there. And then obviously another 45 here would be 135. Just an example of the triangle. This triangle here has been rotated 90 degrees, so it's now been turned facing down. This is just an example problem. It says you must rotate the puzzle piece 270 degrees clockwise around about the point P. Well, here's our puzzle piece, and there's the point P. We need to be able to rotate it 270 degrees. Well, I put this wheel in here again. Here's 0 degrees. You have to think about what clockwise is. Clockwise, the clock goes this direction. Counterclockwise goes the other direction. So we want to go 270 degrees. We're going to go this far, basically 3/4 of the way around, not all the way around. So I'm going to take this puzzle piece. Look at these two pieces. I'm just going to take this one. If I go 270 degrees, I'm going to end up right here. This one is going to end up back at the top. So I need one left and one going up. That would be letter C. All right, we have a trapezoid here, W, X, Y, and Z. Obviously, each coordinate is listed there. It says rotate the trapezoid 180 degrees about the origin. What are the coordinates of the image? So our origin, remember, is 0, 0 right here. And we want to turn this trapezoid 180 degrees. Well, back to the triangle, or excuse me, back to the circle. 0 degrees is going to be straight up. We're going to go 90. 180. So basically we're going to take this figure and we're going to go completely turn it halfway around. So we're going to take this and we're going to rotate it down to this. Now what does that do here for our coordinates? That's what we have to come up with. Z prime, Y prime, X prime, and W prime. Well, we have rotated it 180 degrees down here. Same thing here. Same thing here. And then last one, same thing here. Now I've made a mess. Where did we go with this? What have we done? Well, I should start with W prime. W prime has become 4, -2. X prime has become 3, -4. Okay. I'm going to move up here. Y prime has become, where am I here? 1, -4. Sorry, I'm making a mess. Z prime, that becomes 1, -2. So, what have I done here? Well, look at my original. W was -4 too. Look what I've done now to W prime. We talked about this when we reflected what it does to the new coordinate. We had -4, +2. We now have a +4, a -2. Well, let's look at the other ones. Right here, -3, 4 becomes +3, -4. Y, -1, 4 becomes +1, -4. Z becomes -1, is -1, 2, now becomes +1, -2. So what have we done here when I do this case? We have changed our X and our Y by doing the opposite. One more time. -4 and +2 becomes a +4, -2. All right, one more example problem. It says here the vertices of a triangle J, K, and L. They give the coordinates there. This time, though, we're only going to rotate it 90 degrees, and it is counterclockwise, so that's different. But the 90 degrees, we're not going to completely flip it around, so we're not going to have the change to our coordinates like we had. You're also going to just rotate it around, it says vertex L, so that means around this coordinate. So, let's go to the graph. We're going to go 1, 2, that's J. We're going to go 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. That's K. And L is 1, negative 3. So this is L. Here is now my triangle. Now, this is what we need to do. 90 degrees counterclockwise, excuse me. If here's my circle, I'm going to go this direction, this way, and I'm going to end up over here. 90 degrees is a right turn right there to the left this time because I'm going counterclockwise. This is L. I want to turn this triangle 90 degrees this direction. So I would like you to turn it 90 degrees. Your triangle obviously is now going to be facing this way. And figure out what that does to the points. So I want to check on Monday here what J prime, K prime, and L prime are once the triangle has been rotated 90 degrees that direction. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.